Round 24.987 correct to 1 decimal place. So here we have 24.987, and we have to round this correct to 1 decimal place. So 9 is the first number behind the decimal point, so we circle 9. Then we underline 8. Now 8 is underlined, and we ask ourselves, okay, is 8 greater than 5? And 8 is certainly greater than 5, so what are we going to do? Well, we have to add 1. We have to round up, right? And so we add 1 to 9, so it's going to be 9 plus 1. Now, what is 9 plus 1? Well, 9 plus 1 is 10. And so this 9 turns into a 0. So this 9 turns into a 0. And we add 1 to 4. So it's going to be 4 plus 1. And so what we have is we have this 2. We have 4 plus 1, which is 5. And remember, this 9 turned into a 0. So this is a 0 right there. So the answer is 25.0. And we dropped the 8 and the 7. So the answer is 25.0. Next, we have to round this number correct to 2 significant figures. And so 2 is the first significant figure, 4 is the second significant figure. And so we have the circle 4 because it's the second significant figure. Next, we underline 9. Now, once this number is 5 or greater, we add 1 or we round up. And so when we round up, we add 1 to 4. So this is 4 plus 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So it's going to be 25. So this number correct to 2 significant figures is definitely 25. Next, we have this number 24.987, and we have to write it correct to the nearest hundredth. Now, this is 2. 2 is in the tens place, 4 is in the ones place, 9 is in the tenths place, and 8 is in the hundredths place. So we have the circle 8, and we underline 7. Now, since 7 is greater than 5, we add 1 to 8, so we round up, because 7 is greater than 5, so we round up. So this is going to be 8 plus 1. And so we have 24.99, because 8 plus 1 is 9. And so this is going to be 24.99. And that's the answer to this question, 24.99.